Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to talk about how to make a DIY herbal hair rinse. I know we all post a lot of videos and we keep talking about how to grow your hair, things to do to grow your hair, but most people don't even bother talking about how to keep the hair you already have and how to maintain healthy scalp and stop breakage, stop shedding, and overall try to have a healthy hair instead of looking around to look for how to grow your hair when you can't even maintain the one you already have. In this video I'm going to share with you guys my DIY herbal hair rinse that I normally use on my hair. This is going to help you reduce shedding, and if you suffer from excessive breakage, this is supposed to be around you all the time because the ingredients that I'm using for this is going to help strengthen your hair. I normally do this all the time, but I switch up my ingredients sometimes. So I'm going to show you guys how to make this. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you're seeing me for the first time, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and to all my old subscribers, you're welcome back to my channel. So without wasting time, let's get straight into this video. So for this you're going to need fenugreek seed. Fenugreek has a lot of importance, a lot of healthy benefits it gives to the hair and the body in general. So we're going to use fenugreek as one of the ingredients you're using today. And the next thing we're going to use is lavender buds. Lavender helps to promote hair growth. It is also going to help ease your itchy scalp. It has a very calming and soothing effect on the scalp, and if you suffer from dandruff you also need this, and it has a wonderful fragrance. Now the next thing is green tea, and the last thing we are going to add is rosemary, and rosemary also helps to promote hair growth. And yeah, we're going to mix all these ingredients together. This recipe is quite simple. You're going to boil hot water and then pour it into this, and then you're going to cover this and allow this to sit for 3 hours at least. You can do this overnight, but 3 hours is fine. Now this is 3 hours later. You can see the water has changed color. The next thing you're going to do is to strain this and put this into your spray bottle. And here I am going to show you guys how I actually use this on my protective style. As you can see, I am currently carrying cornrows right now, and this is how I normally do my hair when I don't feel the need to braid my hair. So I told you guys that I'll be wearing wig for the rest of the month until my next relaxer. And yeah, I'm actually doing that right now. My hair is in cornrow, and I'm going to use this to spray on my hair every day. And after doing this, I'll just put it in the fridge and then just spray it whenever I want to, whenever I feel my hair is dry and it needs a little hydration, a little water. I just get it out of the fridge and spray on my hair. I really apologize for the lighting in this video. I know it's very dark and grainy. Today is just a very rainy, cloudy day and there's no sunlight whatsoever, but I have to get this video out. So this is what the herbal rinse looks like. I just poured it into my spray bottle, and if you're having problems with shedding and breakage, trust me, this is something you want to have around. This is not going to spoil. You just have to make this and then put it inside your fridge and just spray it on your hair every morning. But if your shedding or breakage is really bad, what you have to do is to pour this into a small bowl and use this to rinse your hair after washing your hair. Just use this as a rinse and then dry your hair. You don't have to wash it out with any other water or anything. Just use this as your final rinse. But since my hair is pretty balanced and okay at this point, I'm going to use this as my daily leave-in spray. So I'm going to put this in the fridge and just spray it every morning. Right now, this is the one I just did. I have an extra batch that is already soaking. I'm going to soak that one overnight and also pour it into a spray bottle and keep it in the fridge. Yeah, this is pretty much it for this video. And another thing is, if you're having itchy scalp and you also want this to help soothe your scalp, put peppermint oil into this or add peppermint leaf into your mixture and soak it together. But if you don't have peppermint leaf and you don't have access to peppermint leaf, put peppermint oil into your spray and then put it in the fridge. Trust me, if you spray this on your hair, it's going to give you that calming, cooling effect on your hair, and it's going to help you with your itchy scalp. So yeah, that's it for this video. And one more thing before I go is, if you're worrying about the smell, trust me when I say it smells nice. The rosemary and the lavender buds that I added took this to a whole new level. It smells so nice and I love the smell. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all learned something in this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also share this video so that people will actually see this video, and so YouTube will know that this video requires more attention. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.